Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with my another video, and my this video is about some beautiful and amazing kind of footwears which looks really beautiful and really amazing and very pretty kind of things. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of it's a very low heighted heel which looks really beautiful, and as you see it looks really amazing. And this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It looks really beautiful and very pretty kind of thing. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It looks really pretty in a black color, and as you see the design and everything, it looks very unique and the very latest kind of design that looks very beautiful and very amazing. And this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It looks really beautiful and really amazing in a silver kind of color, which looks really beautiful and which looks really amazing. And this one is also a very pretty kind of thing which looks very different and the unique kind of things. And as you see the designs and everything, it looks very beautiful and very amazing, and it's a very beautiful kind of casual and very pretty design that looks very beautiful. And as you know, you can wear such kind of footwear with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It looks really amazing and the very different kind of color which looks very beautiful. And as you know, you can wear such kind of footwear in every kind of occasion, like it's a wedding, it's a birthday party, or the normal casual routine. You can wear such kind of footwears which looks really beautiful and which looks really amazing and pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It looks really amazing flat footwear in a white and black, like two different colors. That looks very amazing and the pretty kind of thing which looks very beautiful. And this one is also a very nice heel. It looks really pretty. It's which is like much comfortable as compared with that high heels. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of pumps, like which are very beautiful and these are very comfortable. And this one is also a very beautiful kind of black color heel which looks really beautiful and it looks very amazing and pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very nice two different kind of colors which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see the colors and the designs, like you see, this one is also floral print which is very like beautiful and very appropriate for summers and giving a very perfect kind of vibe. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It looks really amazing and the designs and everything, it looks very beautiful and it make your whole outfit very beautiful and makes it more amazing and more pretty. And this one is also it's in a brown color, and as you see, these subtle and beautiful kind of colors make your heel more beautiful and they'll add a touch of glamour to your heat. And as you know, like these footwears are the integral part of the or whole outfit and such kind of things, and they looks very beautiful and very amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of thing. It looks really different and beautiful kind of color combination. As you see, it looks very different and very like unique kind of thing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye.